Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mousetrap Genius. The point of this episode is to announce a very exciting development in the world of live mousetraps, and that is the Catch a Mouse humane mousetrap is back. This is the mousetrap that was originally produced quite a number of years ago that converts a regular plastic bottle into a fully functional, humane, live mousetrap. And the way it does that is there's just a little ball and a spring inside of this thing right here. So when you screw the Catch a Mouse onto your regular plastic bottle, of which there are far too many in our world today, the mouse can go up inside through the little door, push up the ball, goes into the bottle, ball falls back down, and the spring won't let it back up. The mouse is trapped inside but has plenty of space and is able to breathe because the ball closes tightly enough that the mouse can't come back out, but not too tightly to restrict airflow. So the Catch a Mouse was one of the most unique mouse traps I'd ever seen, and I really enjoyed testing it out in the wild, but then I was really disappointed when they stopped making them. In fact, that was one of the reasons I went quite some time without reviewing a mousetrap, because most of the traps on the market today, unfortunately, are just a few different variations on the same design that just keep on getting copied by folks in China and resold with a different sticker. So it's rare that you find something that is really unique and really a new take on mouse trapping and reusing items that would otherwise probably just get disposed and end up immediately in a landfill somewhere. So I'm very excited right now and decided to make this video just to let you all know that these are actually, for the moment at least, available again. And for your convenience, I'm going to go ahead and post the link to the website where these are down in the video description. And if you want to try one of these guys out, see if it works for yourself and your mice, the link is down there. You can, at the moment at least, purchase them. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Mousetrap Genius. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a terrific, as always, mouse-free day.